Hi, this is Anne. Today I'm going to make a Christmas bauble out of a recycled book. And I'm going to use this as a template, and I've got a scissor and a little bit of watered down wood glue, and I'm just going to make a few circles and glue them together. So I will just speed this up. I'm just going to cut out a lot of them, and then I will start to gluing them together. I'm going to fold all of them in the half, and then I'm going to take my watered down cold glue or wood glue, and I'm just going to, let me just fix that one, put a little bit there, and I'm going to put that one next to that one. So I will do this almost until the end, and then I'll just show you how I will assemble it. Okay, I've got two halves now, so I'm just going to glue this piece of twine in between these two, and then I'm finished. I'm just going to pop in a little bit there. And then I'm just going to, that's a little bit too much, just going to glue these two together. And the same on the other side. Now I'm just going to quickly let this dry, and then I'll show you when this is dry how it looks. Okay, I'm finished. I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I will take a photo, and I will show you when this is done. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time. Take care.